In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, manage, and customize Smartsheet contacts. If you want smoother collaboration and fewer task assignment mix-ups, mastering contacts is a small setup that makes a big difference. By the end, you'll know how to manage your contact list, connect the right people to your sheets, and configure contact columns confidently. Start by opening your Smartsheet window and heading to the bottom left corner. Click your account icon, it might be your photo or your initials, then choose My Smartsheet Contacts. This is your personal contact management area where all your collaborators are listed in one place. Think of it as your Smartsheet address book. To add someone new, click the Add button at the top. Enter the person's name and their email address. Take a moment to double-check the email. Notifications and task assignments rely on this being correct, so accuracy here prevents missed updates later. It's also helpful to keep names consistent, like using full names rather than nicknames, so your list stays clear and searchable. If you already have contacts stored somewhere else, save time by using the Import option. Follow the prompts to upload your existing list instead of adding people one by one. And if you ever want to back up or need to use your contacts in another system, you can export your Smartsheet contacts just as easily. Now let's bring those contacts into your actual work. Open a sheet where you assign tasks, like a project tracker, and right-click the column header you plan to use for assignments. Select Edit Column Properties. In the settings, find Column Type and choose Contact List. This tells Smartsheet to pull from your contacts and automatically handle notifications when assignments change, keeping everyone aligned without extra manual steps. If a task needs more than one person, enable Allow Multiple Contacts per cell. That way you can assign a team rather than just a single owner. To keep your data clean, turn on Restrict to list values only. That prevents typos and ensures only approved contacts appear in the dropdown. Once your column is set, type a name into a cell or select one from the list, then click OK. The contact is now linked to that row, and Smartsheet will take care of alerts and updates in the background. If you ever need to adjust who's in your list or how the column behaves, you can edit your contacts or column settings anytime. That's it. With a few simple configurations, your Smartsheet projects connect to the right people and collaboration becomes clearer and more efficient. If this helped, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next video.